Hello there everyone, welcome to ESL Powerhouse. In today's lesson we are going to study possessive adjectives. Possessive adjectives are used before nouns and tell us who something belongs to. For example, this is his car. In here, his comes before car to tell us that the car belongs to a male person. You know we have got 7 subject pronouns in English language, and for each subject pronouns we have got a particular possessive adjective. For he we use his, for example, this is his wallet. For she we use her, for example, that is her purse. For it we use its, it is a kitten, its color is black. For I we use my phone isn't charging. For we use our class is big. For you we use your car is over there. For they we use their house is so far. Now fill in the blanks with the correct possessive adjectives: my, your, his, her, its, our, their. Pause the video, complete the blanks, and you will check later on. Very good. Now let's check. Number 1, I have a new book. This is my book. Number 2, Sarah has a cat. Her cat is very playful. Number 3, John and I are best friends. Our friendship is strong. Number 4, the dog is eating its food. Number 5, they are going on vacation. Their flight leaves tomorrow. Number 6, is this your pen? Number 7, we love our teacher. He is very kind. The last one, number 8, the children are playing with their toys. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.